Morning. Morning.
Hello, everyone.
Morning, ma'am.
Umaima, what has happened to you? Good morning.
Yes, sir.
Okay.
Okay. Who is this MU? Who is this MU?
Muhammad Ali.
Muhammad Ali. Really?
Yes. Yes.
Okay. Muhammad Ali, I can see you. Good morning, Mariam. How are you? Okay. So, till others are joining in, Mustafa, turn.
Muhammad Ali.
Ma'am, today's life skills, right?
Yes. Yes,
Ma'am,
today's
today we will play.
Kahoot. No, we will not play Kahoot. Every time you want to play Kahoot, and whenever I organize some Kahoot quiz, he disappears. Right? Okay. Listen, I have a game for you. Okay. So let's start with a game.
What is the game?
Okay. I have two games with me. Let's start with this game because there are few students.
Afternoon, ma'am.
Good morning, Mustafa. And Mariam Kazi, please turn on your screen. Okay, let me share a whiteboard, okay? Now, okay. Yusuf, okay, Yusuf, write spelling of herbivorous. Yesterday I was asking you, right? Even I was not sure of the spelling.
Ma'am, can I write?
Ma'am, this is Yusuf. Can I serve herbivore?
Yes, write it down, write it down. I don't want to listen. Write it
I
down.
cannot annotate.
Yes, annotate. Okay, Umaima herbivorous.
Ma'am.
No, Umaima. Muhammad Ali. You try. Everybody try.
Oh,
What is the spelling? Don't Google it, okay?
okay.
Herbivorous.
Ma'am, this is
Everybody
Yusuf. I
can
cannot
try.
annotate.
Why you
I
can't?
cannot annotate.
Why?
Ma'am,
there is
my
no
other try.
option.
I don't know who's annotating.
No, Umaima. Muhammad
Ma'am,
Ali.
this is just when I said
Okay, speak.
HERB, herb, IVOURES.
Herbivorous. VORUS. Who can write it for me? Come on. Okay, write Manha quickly. I want to see herbivorous spelling. Come on, quick, quick.
1 minute.
Herbivorous. Come on, quick. Okay. Can you make it little big, Manha? Okay. Now, what is the game? I'll tell you. Okay. Now, this is the okay. Mustafa Kazi has written Vorus. RUS. This is not the spelling. Okay. Let me only write. Try. Okay. And this is the spelling. Okay. This is the spelling. Okay. Now, what you all have to do is in 1 minute, Muhammad Ali, please don't do it. Oh. Okay, let me write it again. Okay, what you all have to do is in 1 minute, you have to make as many words as possible. Okay, from this. And you don't have to use 2-letter words, but it has to be 3-letter words. So everyone has to make 3-letter words in 1 minute, as many as possible. Okay, can you do it? Come on, quick.
Yes.
Your time starts. Do you understand the game, Yusuf, Muhammad Ali, everybody? You understood the game?
Yeah, ma'am. Yes.
Okay.
Can I write?
Okay. Are you done? Your time starts now. Okay. You have just 1 minute. Come on, quick. Give me a minute.
What we have to do, ma'am? What are we doing? I did not understand.
Sorry.
Ma'am, I did not understand.
Okay. You did not understand. Okay. See, from this big word, no, you have to make the smaller words. Like somebody made
okay.
herb. Okay. That could be one word. Okay. Somebody made her. So that could be the another word. Somebody makes,
Ma'am, I made our.
okay. So quickly now you have 30 seconds more. Quickly make words. Come on, quick. Not on my whiteboard. Quickly write it down and I will ask you.
Ma'am,
Yes. Oh, who has joined? Umar. Okay. Yes, Umar. I was waiting for you.
Ma'am, Muhammad Ali, don't
Come on. Your time stops now. Okay. Tell me how many words have you made?
Ma'am, me.
Okay, Manha.
Herb and her.
Okay. Herb
I
and
made
herb.
herb. I made herb, her, and our.
Hour. Okay. Very nice.
I
Okay.
made herb.
Herb and Mustafa, tell me few more words. Only herb. Yes.
No, I have 3 more.
Okay. Tell me then.
Two HOUR and OUR. What hour?
Mustafa.
And
Okay.
and sour.
And what?
Sour. Sour.
Tower. Okay. But herb is
Sour.
sour. What is that?
Wait, I'll put it in that chat.
Chat box. Yes. Two. Muhammad Ali, how many words did you make? Sar. Okay. Sar. Okay, Mustafa. Proper. Okay. Muhammad Ali, how many words did you make? Umar, how many words did you make? Yusuf, what about you?
Ma'am,
Why you're not playing? Sorry, Yusuf, you can speak.
ma'am, I mix ma'am, I also mix her and her.
Okay, Sar and herb. Okay, it's Sar. It's not sour. Okay, it's Sar. Yes. Yes, Manha.
This hippopotamus.
Huh?
We will play one more. We will play one more.
Hippopotamus. Okay, this is the word. Come on, quick. One more word. Manha is giving is hippopotamus. Okay.
What is the word?
Hippopotamus. Hippo.
And we play this game in
Hippopotamus.
third standard also, na?
Yes. Come on, make hippopotamus. Your time starts now.
Now.
Ma'am,
Yes, Mariam.
what do you have to do?
I have written a word. Okay. Okay, I have written a word. This is a big word. You have to make smaller words from these letters. Okay. Like pot could be one word from this P-O-T, pot. Okay. So like that you have to make words. Okay, pop. Come on quickly.
All those 3 words. Said.
Mustafa, either.
Said all those words. Hippo, pop, pen, pot.
Okay, very nice, Mustafa. What else? Come on, quick. Muhammad Ali, are you there?
Should I tell mine?
No, not 2-letter words, at least 3-letter words.
Okay, mine is hip, pot, must, past, pop.
Okay. Others, what about others? Have they made? Just write it in the chat. Write it in the chat. Otherwise, if you don't have the books, write it in the chat. 30 seconds more. Umar, are you playing? Umar. Umar and Yusuf, I want few words from you all. Muhammad Ali, come on quick.
Ma'am, if there was one more A and one F, I could write Mustafa also.
Ah, I have a big word for you. Okay, sorry, even I have made a word. Okay, time up. Time up. Okay.
Ma'am, should I tell mine? Hip, pot, must, fast, pop, off.
Opt. Okay, very nice. Hippopotamus. Okay. What about Manha?
Hippo, pot, pop, hip.
Okay, hip. Very nice. Muhammad Ali, come on quick.
No,
Muhammad
write
Ali,
no.
you should.
I don't know.
You
I
write
don't know.
no is 2-letter words, not accepted.
Then there's no N.
Okay, Yusuf, what about you? Yusuf, are you there with me, Yusuf?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, tell me.
Ma'am, I got pot. Ma'am, I got pot.
What else?
I got Tom.
Now you are thinking? Yusuf, you have
No,
not
ma'am.
made. Where is it written,
Ma'am.
Yusuf? Is it written? Have you written? No. Okay. Mustafa, tell me your words. Mustafa,
Pot and top.
pot and top. Okay. Umar, what about you, Umar?
Ma'am, I made 6 words. Ma'am, I also made time.
Time. T-I-M-E. Okay,
There's
very
no
nice.
I. Oh, there is I.
There is I. Okay, very nice, Mustafa. Umar, what about you, Umar? Umar,
I don't know what you're playing.
Umar, I just said that with a big word, you have to make smaller words. Okay.
Any letters in that?
Yeah, not any letters. You have to use the letters from the big words. Umar, turn on your screen. I'm not accepting this. This is the last warning. After this, if I'll see your video off, I'm going to put you in the waiting room. Okay, good, Umayma. Okay, let's start with the other game. I have one more game for you all. Okay, Umar, please pay attention. Muhammad Ali, Yusuf, everyone pay attention. Mustafa, I want your video on.
Ma'am.
Good. And this is the last time I'm telling you all to turn on the video. After that, I'm going to just directly put you all in the waiting room. I will not even ask you. Yes, Manha.
I have in my mobile I have made a note. See this all.
You have made a note. What is this?
It's the word.
Oh, it's words. Okay, let's play some other game as well. Okay. Have you played Simon Says?
Yeah.
Yes. What do you have to do in
Yes.
Simon Says? Tell me.
Yes. Whatever the Simon says, I have to do that, and whatever Simon does not say, we don't have to do.
Okay. So if I say Simon Says walk, then you have to walk. But if I don't use Simon Says before the word, you don't have to do it. If you did, then you are out of the game. Okay. Is it all right? From where this background noise is coming? Okay. Everybody understood? Later on, don't tell me I didn't understand. Everybody, Umar, Mustafa.
I didn't understand. Simon said that if you said Simon says stand up, so we have to stand up.
Yes.
Or you have standing up.
Yes.
Na?
If I will add Simon Says to any word, that word you have to do it. You have to act and do it. But if I will not add Simon Says, then you don't have to do it. Okay? Understood, everyone? Umar, Maria?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. Come on.
Yes.
Are you all ready?
Yes. Yes.
Okay.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. Just give me a minute. Okay. Simon says, sit down. Simon says, get up.
I'm already sitting.
Okay. Get up, get up. Muhammad Ali, if your screen gets off, you're going in the waiting room. Get up quickly.
I'm getting up.
Simon says, turn around. Simon says, turn around. Simon says, touch your knees. Put one arm in the air.
Huh?
Put one arm in the air. Quack like a duck. Quack. Simon says, quack like a duck. Quack like a duck. Muhammad Ali, you are already out. Okay. Simon says, moo like a cow. Okay. Simon says, pat your belly. Simon says, pat your belly. Simon says, put both hands on your head. Jump. Come on, jump, jump. Okay, good. Jump. Manha, Mustafa, and Umar out. Okay. All three of you jump. All three of Mustafa, I saw you jumping. Mustafa, don't tell me. Right.
I was a kata. What? Something. So I jumped.
And Manha, you don't have to make any excuses. All three of you are out. Only Umaima, Yusuf,
Can I
and
sit down
Mariam.
now?
Now you can sit
Can I sit
down.
down?
Only Umaima, Yusuf, and Umaima, Yusuf, and Mariam. Okay.
Hello.
Simon says, do a silly dance. Simon says, do a silly dance. Mariam, you have to do a silly dance. Mariam, come on, Mariam. Okay, make a sad face. Okay. Simon says, talk like a robot. Come on, Yusuf, you're not doing it. Okay. Simon says, do a push-up. Wow, Umayma, what a push-up, Umayma. Okay. Simon says, do touch your ears. Simon says, touch your ears. Touch your nose. Around the room. Skip around the room.
Umayma is out.
Umayma is out, right? Umayma is out.
Yes, I saw. She didn't touch her nose. She didn't touch her nose. She did
Yes.
like this.
Okay. Okay. So the winner is Yusuf and Mariam. Okay. Yusuf and Mariam. Good work. Okay. Now, today we'll be learning a new theme in life skill. Okay. What is that? I will tell you. The theme is,
No. Animal.
the theme is, sorry, morals. Do you know what is moral?
Yes, moral stories.
Do you know what is moral? Come on, quickly tell me what is moral.
Moral
Moral
stories.
stories.
Only word moral, not stories. I have not added stories. What does that mean?
Okay. I
Oh, sorry. Yes, tell me, Umaima.
moral means the moral means is that it's like it's a learning lesson for you.
Learning lesson. Okay, Manha, what do you mean by moral?
Some
I
we
think
have
so.
to learn.
Which we have to learn. I think so. Umar knows it. Umar, tell me. What do you mean by moral?
This is Yusuf. I know.
Ma'am,
Okay,
when a
Yusuf after
story
Umar.
ends, they tell the moral like moral meaning if there is a selfish like they are 1 minute. Yes, some if the story ends, then if the part of the story is the man, this man is not giving this poor man food. So like you tell you
Umar,
like in the moral they say like the moral of the story is don't
be selfish.
don't be selfish or
Okay.
greedy.
No, not the moral of the story. Not moral of the story. If I say Yusuf is a very moral person, what does that mean? Yusuf, tell me. Yusuf, are you all watching some other screen? Yusuf? So tell me what is the moral? If I say that Mustafa is a very moral person, what do you mean by that?
Model.
Not model, moral. We say like Umaima is a very moral person. She has a moral character. What does that mean? Nobody?
Learner.
the meaning of moral, but I don't know how to explain.
Okay. So let's see what do you mean by moral, okay? Even I don't know what is moral. So what are morals? Morals actually means when you consider something right or good, okay? If you do something right, if you have taken a right decision, or if you are doing something right, then we say that it is moral thing to do. If something is, and what is the opposite of moral? The opposite of moral is immoral. No, not wrong. Yes, definitely the meaning is wrong. If you do something bad, then you will say that this person is an immoral person. Okay, but if you do something good or right, always you will say that he has a very strong moral, or he is a he always do moral things. Okay, if you often make choices that are good, you can be known as a moral person. So we always say that Umaima is a very moral person because she always do the right, she always take the right decision, she always do the right thing, or this person has a strong moral. So basically moral means it is a character. When we do something good, then it is called as moral. Okay. Now everybody understood what do you mean by moral? Everyone understood?
Yes.
Okay.
Moral means like someone did a good thing, so we can say them moral, and something done bad, so we
If
can.
if I want to say that Manha is all or she always does good things, so I will say Manha
Moral.
has a strong
Ma'am,
moral.
moral is just like the meaning is same, but the word is different. Okay.
What do you mean by meaning is same and the word is different?
Like moral means good and good means good only. So moral, moral, so moral is different, but the meaning is same.
Okay. I can also say that Umar always does moral things, means good things, okay? The right things, okay? And Umar has a strong moral, means he is a very good person. See, Umar is so happy when I appreciate Umar, okay? So now tell me, now we understood what does moral means. Now tell me what do you mean by moral compass? Quickly. Who can tell me what do you mean by moral compass? Anybody would like to explain?
You are lost. Then the compass tells you do the right thing or wrong.
Okay, good, Yusuf.
You decide which way to go.
Yes, okay. So do you know what compass does to us? Okay, how compass help us? Compass actually
Yes.
help us to know the direction. Yes or no?
Like a north, south, east, and west.
Yes, definitely.
North,
If-
south, east, west.
Yes, if you want to know the direction, which direction to go or which is the right direction to go, you always use compass. But there is a compass within us also, in our body, which tells you what is right and what is wrong. Many a time, a lot of time happens, like, you know, when you know that this is the right thing to do and this is the wrong thing to do. Yes or no?
Yes.
So that is your moral compass, which is within yourself, your
Good habit,
ability.
bad habit.
Yes.
Good habit, bad habit.
Not habits, but suppose give me one example, like, you know, when you know that this is actually the right thing. Okay, yes, suppose your teacher is conducting an exam, okay, yes, and you know what is the right thing to do. Should you give the exam or you should not give the exam? Come on, quickly tell.
We should do. We should give the exam.
We should give the exam. Otherwise, later on, you have to face. Yes. Otherwise, later on, you have to face the consequences. You know what is right thing to do. Yes or no? Who tells you that? Who tells you that?
Moral compass.
Yes, there is an ability to know what is right and wrong. Okay. So that is called as moral compass. And everyone has that within them. They know what is right thing to do and what is not good for you. Okay. Okay, now we learned about moral compass, okay? That there's an ability within ourselves to know what is right and what is wrong. Okay, but what is moral dilemma now? What is moral dilemma? Do you know what does dilemma means?
That you know what's the right thing, but you do the wrong thing.
No, dilemma means confusion. Okay, moral confusion. Now, what is moral confusion? Sometimes you can make decisions very easily, like, you know, exam decisions. Yes, I have to give the exam. But there are some times, like, you know, when you can't decide what is right and what is wrong. So that is called as moral dilemma. Means you are in confusion what to do actually. So, but sometimes it is not so clear. Okay. So now what will I do is, I will give you a scenario, okay? And you have to tell me which is the right thing to do. Everybody ready?
Yes.
Everyone ready? Okay. I'll ask one by one. Let's listen to everybody, okay? So the first question is for Muhammad Ali, okay? You see your friend cheating in a maths test, okay? You saw that somebody is cheating. Now it is an online classes. Everybody can cheat very easily, right? They can Google and they can write the answer. So you know that your friend is cheating in a maths test. What would you do, Muhammad Ali? The first option is, wait, let me give you the option also. Let me make it very easy for you. Tell the teacher, that, see, this person, my friend Mustafa, he's cheating, okay?
Mustafa.
Or otherwise, you would say, tell your friend they should not cheat and make them promise not to cheat again. You will tell Mustafa, Mustafa, see, you should not do the cheating, okay? Make me promise next time you will not do. Mustafa, I'm just giving an example, okay? Don't take it to your heart. Okay. Or you would say, wow, Mustafa, you did a very nice job. And you did okay.
The third one. The
You
third
will-
one.
You will get a great score. Tell me what you will
The
do,
high
Mohan.
The second one.
Wait, let me
First
listen.
one.
To,
Third.
let me listen
Third.
to Muhammad Ali's answer.
First and second.
First and second. Muhammad Ali, what will you do?
First.
First one, tell the teacher. Then later on, after that, Mustafa is not going to talk to you because you complain
Third.
it to the teacher. Yes or no, Muhammad?
Yeah. Third.
So,
Third is the smartest idea.
Third is the smartest idea. That means Umar is not a moral person. I take my words back.
moral person is
Okay. Tell me what is the right thing to do. Even I don't know what is the right thing to do in this scenario.
Second.
Second. Okay. Muhammad Ali thinks that the second is the right answer. Even I feel the second is the right answer.
no
Everybody,
first and second. Both
ev-
first and second both. are
Manha,
the right
Manha,
answer.
everybody should get a chance. Okay. You have not corrected and immediately you complain it to the teacher. Your friend will also feel bad. What kind of a friend is this? She's not even correcting me and then directly complaining it to the teacher. Yes or no, Manha? So you should always first correct. See, Mustafa, you are not doing the right thing, okay? Just make me a promise that you will not do it again and you will be honest next time. Yes or no?
Yes. But ma'am.
Yes.
But ma'am, you tell the second one is the right. But if they do it again, then you have to tell it to
Yes. The
Yeah.
second time, if Mustafa does it again, then definitely you should complain it
Yeah.
to the teacher. Yes. Good one. Okay. The next scenario is for
Me.
this time I'm only giving it to boys, okay? The
Oh,
next
no.
scenario is for Mustafa. Come on, Mustafa, okay? You have to solve this. You are playing football in the house and break your mom's favorite vase. There's some vase and you broke it, okay? She think your brother or sister did it. You have a brother also and you have a sister. Younger brother and you have a sister, elder sister, which you hate a lot. Yes or no, Mustafa? So what would you do? Okay. The options are tell the truth. You will tell the truth. You are very innocent. You will tell the truth. It's not fair for anyone else to get the bill. You will tell your mama that, Mama, I only broke the vase. The second one is tell your mom it was no one's fault. A gust of wind knocked the vase over. You will say, no, Mama, I just opened the window. A gust of wind came and it broke the vase. And the third one is let your mom think your brother or sister did it. They are always blaming you for things, right? Aisha always does that. Yes, Mustafa? She always blames you for the thing. So this time it is good. I will blame her. What will you do, Mustafa? Gust of wind? Who said that?
Gust of wind.
Gust of wind. Yolas.
Third one.
You will. This Mustafa, no, he is actually, you don't know. From his face, you will feel that he's so innocent, but actually he is not. Do you know that? He's very, very naughty. So he chose the third one, that I will tell my mama that actually Bilal did. So mama will not say anything to Bilal because he's so young. She will not say anything. Yes, no, Mustafa? You will blame your brother or sister? Sister.
Oh.
Okay. I have to ask the same thing to Aisha as well, right? Mustafa? Okay. Tell me others tell me. Correct Mustafa if he is wrong.
One.
The
Manha
first one.
is the first
Manha
one.
is
Second
Has
one.
Manha has a moral character. Okay. Muhammad Ali said the
And the first
second
one.
one. so that nobody gets the blame. Yusuf said the first one. I feel, Umaima, what do you think?
I think you should tell the truth.
Ah,
I
Umaima
think
has a moral.
Ma'am, I will tell the third.
Third.
I know
Third
Umar,
one.
Mustafa and Muhammad
Third
Ali.
one.
I know. Y'all are going to choose the third choice, okay? Then what
The
is
third
going
or
to...
the second?
Listen,
The
listen.
more third.
Listen, Umar, Mustafa and Muhammad Ali. This is for Umar, Mustafa and Muhammad Ali. Have you heard that story of a wolf and that person who always lie?
No.
No?
Yes, that one.
Yes, I don't know. Remember the name of that story? The
He
wolf
is
who
very
cries.
bold and then
The boy
tell
who
the
cried.
wolf, tell the wolf. He calls 3 times and then a real wolf comes and then it eats all the sheep and the boy shouts.
Yes, I heard.
Yes. The
Ma'am,
boy
the
who
boy in the
cries.
wolf.
The boy who cries, the something who cries.
Ma'am,
The
the
wolf.
boy in the
Tell the
wolf.
wolf, help me. Tell the
Yes.
wolf.
So because if you always tell lies, what is going to happen is your mama will never believe you. Okay, your mama will never trust you again. So the moral thing to do is over here is you should always tell the truth. Okay, Mustafa understood.
Well, what did he say?
He chose the
He
third
said
one.
flame.
Umaima.
Yeah, flame again.
Okay, it is fun to do that.
Ma'am,
with you all. Yes.
Ma'am, I will not do the third one.
Yes.
And the wind is not even
Ma'am, I don't want to get in trouble, so I will tell the second.
No, but that is also not right. No, every time if you'll do that, the mama will also not believe you. Yes or no?
Okay, first one.
No
one will get in trouble.
I know the same thing Umar also said that if I'll choose the second one, no one will get into trouble. But you will lose your mama's trust. Okay? Okay, this question is for Yusuf. Okay, this question is for Yusuf. Yusuf, are you there? Okay. You are given too much change in a shop and only realize as you are leaving. What would you do? So you went to a shop, you took a candy or you took a chocolate of your choice, okay, and then you gave money. Okay, suppose you gave 50 rupees. You gave 50 rupees and you took one ice cream or your candy of your choice. Okay,
How much
But-
was it for?
it is for 30 rupees. Okay, it is for 30 rupees.
Okay.
But that person gave you 50 rupees back again. Okay, he thought that you have given some 100 rupees and he gave you 50 rupees. What would you do in that scenario? Later on, when you reach
Who is
home,
it for?
this is for Yusuf. Later on, when you reach home, you realize that you have got extra change. Actually, he has given you more money than he should. What you should do, Yusuf? Okay, the first option is give the extra money to charity. What will you do is you will give that money, extra money, whatever extra money you have got, then you will give this to in charity. The second option is go back and tell the shop assistant what has happened. You will go back to the shop again and then give the change back. Okay. And the third option is go and spend the extra money on something nice for yourself. Okay, you have got extra money, you will buy another candy or
Third.
what will you do, Yusuf?
Third.
Ma'am,
Greedy
second one.
Mohammed.
Third.
Yes, Yusuf, what will you do? First we'll listen to Yusuf. Then we will say whatever you want to say. Yes, Yusuf, tell me.
Ma'am, second one.
Second
First.
one. Yusuf is not like Umar and Muhammad Ali. Okay. And when like
One is
Mustafa.
also good.
By mistake, I wrote third one. My is second one.
Okay. Okay. Yusuf and Manha thinks that it is the second one. Okay. He will go
First.
back.
One is good. Like
Okay.
First or second? First
No.
or second?
Now listen, Yusuf.
1 from 2.
Yusuf, your home is very far from that shop. Okay, your home is very far from that shop. You cannot go to that shopkeeper. What will you do?
and still go
If I will go.
Umaima is saying
to
that
the shop.
she will opt for the first option. Yes, Umaima?
First.
No,
First.
you know, maybe I'll take up just 2 coins and give it in the charity and go back and tell him what happened, and I'll even tell him that I gave 2 coins to the charity.
Okay. So you will tell the shopkeeper as well, and then you will say that whatever extra money you have given, I will give it in the charity. Yes? That's what you said, Umaima?
Oh,
Okay.
ma'am, because it is not my money, so I will give it back.
Okay, because it is not your money, Yusuf has a moral character. Okay, Yusuf is a person with strong morals. So he said,
Instant what has happened.
I will go. Yes, he said, I will go to the shop to return the money. But if the shop is very far, what I will do is I will give the extra money in the charity. Wow,
Ma'am,
Yusuf.
No,
Ma'am,
Yes,
ma'am.
Umar.
uh,
I was waiting for your comment. Yes.
ma'am, like you said, your home is very far.
Hmm. Yes.
So like it's like 9, 10, 11 miles or that. So
Okay.
I will give the money to charity.
Are you saying that you will give the money to the charity, or you will use it for yourself, Umar? Tell me. Within your heart, you think that I should use that
Give-
money.
Give the extra money to charity, or give the money to one of my parents.
Parents,
ma'am,
parents, are you going to give the money back to the parents?
no,
No,
ma'am.
ma'am.
If
If they ma'am, what they could do if I give the money to them, so if the next time they go the same way,
shop.
so they will the same shop,
Yeah,
then they will give the
Give
money
it
back.
Wow,
Ma'am,
Uma, sudden
that
change.
was what I was going to say. Like we have to give. We will give to our parents, and they'll go in the car and they'll give it to him.
Okay, okay. Very nice.
Ma'am,
So I
ma'am,
think
this
so.
is Yusuf.
Yes.
Ma'am, again, when I am going very far for traveling, I will in my way I will give it.
Okay, on your way you will give it. Okay, so you will keep it safe, and then later on you will give it to the shopkeeper. Very
And I have
nice.
3 choices. Give the extra money to charity, give the parents, and they will go to the shop, then they will give, or I will go to that shop no matter what, and then give the money.
Okay, okay. Very nice, Umar. It's a sudden change, but I'm very, very happy, Umar, with you. Okay, the third one, the next one, I think all the boys are over. I want to give the chance to Mariam. I think so Mariam's
Ma'am, Umar
internet-
Jalvir is still there. Ma'am, Umar Jalvir is still there.
No, I gave chance to Umar. No?
No, ma'am. You gave to Yusuf.
Ma'am, when did you give?
No, I didn't give.
I did
Okay.
not.
After this, I will
Yes,
give
ma'am,
it
you
to
didn't
Umar.
give.
After this, I will give it to
No.
Umar.
No.
Let me check with Mariam.
Excuse
Is
me,
Mariam
excuse
around?
me.
Okay. If Mariam is not around, I will give it to you. I think so. Mariam is not there. Okay. Zoom user. Who is Zoom user? Okay. Umar, this is for you. Okay. This is a tricky one. Your friend, okay, your friend has got a new top. Top means shirt or a t-shirt. Okay. But you think it's awful. So Muhammad Ali has gifted you some gift. But you think it is not good. It is it is not of your choice. Do you keep quiet or tell them what you think? You think that it is a very awful gift. Okay. What will you do? There are 3 options.
Reveal the
Wait.
pictures.
Wait. The first option is tell them what you think. So you will tell Muhammad Ali that it is horrible. Whatever gift you have given is horrible. The second one is say nothing. They are happy and they don't need to know what you think. So you will say nothing about it. And you think that he is happy. No, that's it. The third one is tell your friend it looks amazing and you wish you had one. So you will lie to Muhammad Ali and you will say that I like your gift. What will you do? Let Umar, let-
1 minute.
let me listen to Umar's. Let me listen to Umar's answer and then I will give chance to everyone. Mariam, I have not heard from you. Even I want your opinion and suggestion.
Say nothing. They're happy and they don't need
Can
to know.
you give me
what
the
you
chance
think.
after Umar?
After Umar, I will give you a chance. Umar, yeah. Mariam, yes.
Second.
Second one.
Yes.
Second, you will not say, Umar, how come you have become so nice? You will not say anything to
Arre,
Muhammad
why-
Ali. Wow, Umar.
I'll just take it.
You will just
I'll
take
just
it
take it.
because it's a gift. You don't want to make him feel sad, right?
Yeah. Or else he will not be happy.
Yes.
And his
Umar,
friends.
Muhammad Ali, Umar is such a nice friend of yours. He thinks that if I will say that, you will not feel good, right? What
Arre,
about
bata.
others? Come on, quickly. Now add.
Second.
The
Manha
second.
second.
Okay, Manha also second. Okay, Umaima, come on. Mariam, quickly tell me.
Ma'am, tell them
Second one, Mariam. Okay.
the
Umaima, what?
first one.
The first one, I will tell that Muhammad Ali, this is horrible. Next time, please don't give it to me. Yes, Umaima?
No. Tell your friend it looks amazing.
Okay. So what is a moral thing to do over here is, even one
Tell
time,
your friend third.
tell your friend it looks amazing and you wish you had one. Oh, that means you're going to lie to your friend. And every time then she will give you the same gift because she thinks that you liked it a lot.
Then I
Second.
think I'm saying this choice out of the box. If it's not good, I will not do anything. This second choice, right?
The second choice.
What I will do, I will upgrade the clothes, the top, or just say nothing.
Okay, if you'll exchange, then Muhammad Ali will not like it. I have given something else, but you went to the shop and exchanged the gift. He will not like it, right, Umar?
No, I will not exchange.
You will upgrade, you said.
What? Yes, upgrade meaning like I will do upgrade a little for a cloth, like just put this here, there. Then Muhammad Ali will say it looks very good on you.
Why will he say that? It looks very good on you. Okay.
I don't know.
Even once my friend gifted me a abaya, which I didn't like it so much. Okay. But I did not say anything to her because I felt that if I say that, oh, I didn't like it, I didn't like the color, definitely she will feel sad. But I didn't appreciate also ki, wow, this is the best gift I have ever got. I will not lie to her, but maybe with my expression she will come to know that she didn't like it so much, and maybe next time she will not give me the same gift. Okay, so I feel the second choice is the best one because it's a gift. You give it to others if you don't like it, right? But don't break her heart. Okay, the next scenario, which is okay, this was actually the last scenario. Okay, so how has your moral compass helped you today? Okay, did your moral compass help you today to make decisions?
Yes.
Yes. So everyone has a moral compass. See, initially Umar was choosing all the wrong scenarios or wrong choices. But as I moved ahead, I saw that Umar was making right choices. So everyone has that moral compass. Do what is right and not what is easy. Sometimes
Ma'am,
think,
ma'am,
yes.
that, ma'am, like I say like wrong thing and that. So
Hmm.
what I do, I just like toy. I like to toy.
Oh, you just like to toy. What does toy means? Please explain, Umar.
Toy means like I just like to mess up a little gun.
Ah, okay, okay. You enjoy doing that. Actually, you are not a
Yes.
bad person, but you enjoy making fun of things. Yes, Umar?
Yes,
Okay.
yes.
So always do what is right and not what is easy. Sometimes it is very easy to choose something, but actually it is not right. So always do right things. Okay. Everybody understood? Yes. Can I give you all assignments? Can I give you all assignments? Okay. Being the first week, okay, we started after a break. I will not give you an assignment. From next week, I'll give you an assignment. Is it all right? Okay. This week is free. Enjoy yourself. Bye-bye, everyone.
Ma'am, how is this week free?
I'm not giving you any assignment, right? So this week
Ma'am,
is
this is due to when we will get the portion.
portion. Life skills does not have any portion. I will give you some project work to do. Just like the last time.
Means, ma'am, another subject.
Science I have already uploaded. Please go and check the science classroom. You will get the syllabus, what is going to come. Okay? Chalo. Bye-bye, everyone. Bye-bye.